Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn romantic poetry, imagery, and the sublime together, step by step. Romantic poets like Wordsworth filled their verse with imagery, language that appeals to the five senses. A phrase like, "the cold silver hush of moonlit hills," lets you see and almost feel the scene. The Romantics turned to nature as their great subject. When you read them, slow down and let each image bloom in your mind. The picture is the meaning. A favorite romantic device is personification, giving human qualities to things that aren't human. The wind whispers, a cloud wanders, as if lonely. This makes nature feel like a living companion, rather than a backdrop. When you spot personification, notice the emotion it carries, because the poet is usually projecting a human feeling onto the natural world to deepen the mood. Romantic poetry chases the sublime. A feeling of awe so overwhelming it carries a thrill of fear. Towering mountains, raging storms, and the boundless sea inspire it. The sublime is bigger than ordinary beauty. It humbles us before nature's power. When a poem makes you feel small, yet thrilled before something vast, you're experiencing exactly what poets like Shelley wanted you to feel. 2 romantic forms to know. An ode is a longer, formal poem that praises a single subject, like Keats's Ode to a Nightingale. A lyric is shorter and song-like, voicing personal emotion. They overlap. Both are first-person, musical, and heartfelt. The difference is scale and purpose. An ode elevates and celebrates. A lyric simply sings one feeling. Match the form to its emotional job. Let's gather the romantic essentials. 1. Imagery paints with the 5 senses, so let pictures form. 2. Personification gives nature human life and feeling. 3. The sublime blends awe with a touch of fear before vast scenes. 4. An ode offers formal praise, while a lyric sings a personal feeling. Read with these in mind, and romantic poetry will move you exactly as intended. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.